Make your camera travel through your sunglasses in today's video. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you this really cool effect where the camera travels through a pair of sunglasses. Now this effect is really awesome because it can be used to transition from one shot to another. You've got your one shot, you travel through the sunglasses and you get to shot B. Or instead you can use this as some sort of trippy video effect within a music video. Once you understand the technique that is used to complete this effect, you're not just limited to using sunglasses. You can transition through anything within the frame, so you could transition through a window or through a random hole in the frame. It's a really awesome effect and you don't need to do anything specific when you're filming the footage. You just need to make sure that you're filming a pair of sunglasses or figure out roughly where the camera is going to travel through. So once we've captured the footage, we just need to get this onto the computer and we need to load up Adobe After Effects. So inside of After Effects, we can see that these two video layers are split and the footage of me putting the glasses on is on the top layer and the second layer is underneath that. So to start this effect, I'm just going to zoom in onto the sunglasses, and at the point where I want to start zooming through, I'm going to cut this, so I'm going to hold Command, Shift and D. I'm going to go up to the pen tool and then I'm going to draw a mask around the left lens. And now, as you can see, that has deleted everything except for the lens, and we want to reverse this, so we're going to go into the mask and we're going to press inverted. And now to progress from here, I'm going to extend that second video layer up just so we can see what we're doing. And on this cropped video, I'm just going to go up to the mask, create a brand new keyframe, and then I'm just going to update this to follow the lens. Perfect, so once I've completed that mask, I'm going to drag the second video layer back on the top. I'm going to fade up to the start of this effect, and I'm going to create a brand new keyframe on the opacity for 100%. Then I'm going to go towards the end of this, and I'm going to change this down to 0%. So if we play this back, you'll notice that the second video layer, that's the layer with the mask, is now showing, and that's revealing the third video layer. But as you can see, this mask is a little bit too messy, so I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to clean that up right now. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of feathering into this effect just to blend some of those edges together. So if we play this back, you can see as the sunglasses come to the face, that video layer underneath is now playing. So we're going to go and create a brand new null object. So go into Layer, New, Null Object. And then we want to select video layers 1 and 2. Select the pick whip tool and drag this onto the null. So we're going to parent those two layers to the null. And now we're just going to create a brand new keyframe for scale and position. And then I'm just going to create a brand new set of keyframes at the end of this footage. And I'm just going to scale this up so that the camera zooms through the sunglasses. So as you can see, the scale is 3000%. I'm going to pull that keyframe back to the beginning. And then because this movement is a bit too quick, I want to slow this down and then speed up later on. So I'm going to create a brand new set of keyframes towards the beginning. And I'm going to shift these in time later on into the video so that we have a slow zoom into a more sped up zoom. But the transition from the slow zoom to the fast zoom is a little bit too aggressive, so I'm going to add an easy ease on these middle keyframes. And then I'm just going to adjust the position of the second set of keyframes, that's the middle keyframes, and I'm just going to pull that down so that my hair is in the shot. So now if you play this back, slow zoom in, I look up, sunglasses come up and the camera travels right through the sunglasses. But there is still a little bit of mess just as we're coming through here. So we're just going to crop that sunglasses layer just a touch. And there we go. That is the effect now complete. And that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.